Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shaikh, and today it's an unboxing video. I'm going to unbox a tripod stand that I bought from Daraz.pk. So keep watching this video. Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Shaikh. Let's start it. So here's my unboxing knife. So in the box there is another box of the tripod stand. So let's keep this box aside. So this is the tripod stand that I bought from the Daraz.pk. Its model number is 3110A. So on the side there are some key features of the tripod stand, like it has 3-way pen head, 4-section leg, quick lever lock, rubber leg tip, and on the other side there are others key features like its full height is 1020mm, and when it is closed its height is 350mm, and when its legs are spreaded its height becomes 345mm, and its legs thickness is 16.8mm and its weight is 420 gram, which is not even a half kg. So let's open the box. So in the box you get a pouch and a cell phone holder. With the help of this you can also use the tripod for your mobile phone, and you can also use this tripod for your camera also. So this is the pouch, and this is the tripod stand that I bought from Daraz.pk. Let's open it. It is made up of aluminum. Its weight is so light, and let me show you this 3-way. It can be moved in 3 directions, like one is like this, other is like this, and another is like this, and its height is 1. So you can connect your cell phone caser over here. There's a screw over it, and by putting it over here, and there's a screw behind it. You have to screw it and then it will be attached over here. And to attach your phone you just pull it and attach your phone over here. So this is also a screw. You can move in different direction like this, and it says you can move different. There's also a level over here which helps you that your phone is stable, straight or right. Like if the bubble is in the center, then your phone is straight. And there's a screw over here. With the help of this you can extend its size till here, and there are 3 clips on each leg, 1, 2, 3. With the help of this you can extend its legs like this. So here becomes a tripod. So I'm going to show you its full height in a If you are a new YouTuber or thinking to come on YouTube, you should buy this tripod stand. It's so cheap. It's just cost me 600 rupees, and with delivery charges it's cost me 640 rupees. You can, if you are interested in this product, I have given the link in description. Just click on it and buy this product. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel because I make such technological videos. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, the link is in the description. Visit my account and follow. And if you want to buy this product, the link is in the description. Click on it and order the product. And thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.